Today we got ourselves one car. We are at Fuji Speedway, so this is where all the races happen. And then our parking is here. Finally arrived. But look at how my hand shakes because it's freezing here. Super cold. You can even stay here. It's 6:20 now, so in about 10 minutes we'll be watching fireworks at this direction. Look at the amount of crowd here. Drizzling.
I think so already.
Wow! Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow! The show was so good. Like, I totally recommend everyone to try to catch that fireworks show. It's so crazy. Freezing right now, so I'm gonna get some hot soup on the happiest day.